What's up everybody, Top the Car Guy here. Today we're going to be doing something different. Currently just going to go get an SD card and we're going to have a shoot with the F82 M4, which I will show you guys when we get to it. So please like and subscribe. Yeah, stay tuned.
Must I make a YouTube video?
So everybody, this is the F82 that we're going to do some content with, which I will show you. Sounds amazing.
Why didn't you tell me that you live here? Why didn't you tell me?
This guy was supposed to fetch me all of the car meets that we've been going to. He has been passing me. We're gonna do some stuff with it, so stay tuned. As you can see, the driver's in a mood, and you never know, we might be doing some things on the top. We just hope that there's no one when we get there. But just stay tuned. We're gonna do a lot with this car and perhaps get some photos of it, which I will post on my Instagram. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, let's start the day. Just listen to this. This is just a taste of what we're gonna be doing. You're gonna hear a bit more when we get to our location. So stay tuned. Yeah, stay tuned for more. Everybody, we've landed just here by Table Mountain, took some shots on top of Signal Hill, and now we just want to take some shots of the car as it is. We've got a bit of lighting here, and we had to move because cops are like, hey, you're parking on the side of the road. I'm like, oh, we must be parked because of Signal Hill, it's packed, so what must we do, bro? But anyway, we found the spot and this is gonna work well. I don't know how it's gonna work on my camera because my camera's f-stop, if you're a photographer, only stops at 4, and once you start boosting the ISO it becomes very grainy, so you need as much light on the sides and everything to be able to capture that light. But anyway, look at this thing at night. Parking lot with lighting. We needed that lighting in order to be able to capture some content, especially some photos. Check out my page, Taba_the_car_guy. I'm gonna post some pictures right there on the page as well as on the story. Yeah, and we're gonna take some videos which I will show you now of the car in the parking lot, looking absolutely stunning in its black and the red lights, looking very nice. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video or this vlog. Yes, you are famous now. What's your Coke bottle?
Even if it's not sponsoring.
Yeah, play that thing. Hey, we don't need it. Coke, please sponsor me. So yeah, we've got this M4. Let's just tone down the exposure just a bit to make it look menacing, just like that. But yeah, we've got this M4 here. Stormy's in the driver's seat. We're just gonna get some rolling with that drone that's in the air there. We've got Connor right there doing what he does best. We're just gonna get a rolling. Look at how menacing that thing looks from far, bro. It's just the lighting works wow. The lights or the headlights with those reds on it just work wow. I love what BMW has done with those lights. Those competition M4 competition lights just look amazing. Look better than the standard M4, and I believe most of you guys can agree with me. Yes, this thing sounds nice. With that young downshift there. Got the Ghost F80.
What happened now?
Yeah, Ghost F82. Looking nice. Check him out on Instagram. We're gonna do a lot more things, like I said in the previous video. Well, not in the previous video, previous shot, let me say it like that. There's still some more touch-ups that are gonna be done to this car. I'm not gonna say what they are now, but if you know BMWs, we know what will be added to it. So listen to that. Change the gears. Oh, there we go. So yeah, we're gonna do some touch-ups, or the owner's gonna do some touch-ups. I'm gonna be there to take the video of the review of whatever he's gonna be doing. I know what he's doing, but like obviously a review will be done. You know, we're gonna take a journey with him on this beautiful F82 M4 with those demonic lights or demonic eyes at the end there. Check that out. This is amazing. This is a nice add-on. Imagine being followed and you just seeing those eyes looking at you. Ghost F82, one of a kind looking car. But yeah, check out my Instagram, Tower_the car guy. There's gonna be some shots of these cars when we were at Signal Hill as well as while we're here. And yeah, there's a lot more coming, guys. There's a lot coming. I'm gonna do some more videos. I don't know, it perhaps might be going with the owners and just going with them on this journey and see what they've done to the car and what it has meant for them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my content. Tell me in the comments if you'd like for me to continue this commentating in the videos, or I should stop and go back to my usual cinematic montages. So yeah. So we're just trying to get the proper shot, you know, that money shot. If you're a videographer, it's like the money shot is what you need. But anyway, let me end it here, ladies and gentlemen. This is the only thing we're doing. This has been a long, interesting vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Shout out to Stormy for that rolling shot. He was in my passenger seat as I was driving. He got that rolling shot of this BMW M4. Perfect shot. Shout out to him. And shout out to Connor, shout out to Ghost F82 for pulling up with his car, and yeah, just giving us this opportunity to embrace and look at this beauty in person, and also to get some shots of it. Shout out to those guys. Check them out on Instagram, Ghost F82. Stormy, I probably link his Instagram in the bio, and I'll also get Connor's shots in the bio. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It has been a blast. I'll check you on the next one.